holding back a sneeze really damage your brain? Let's find out. When you suppress a sneeze, air pressure in your head skyrockets up to 20 times higher than normal. This intense force can rupture blood vessels in your eyes, nose, or even your brain. Yes, brain bleeds have been reported. Some cases showed fractured throat cartilage, torn eardrums, and dangerously high cranial pressure. Your body isn't built to hold that explosion. It's like blocking a volcano with your thumb. The result: pain, bleeding, and in rare cases, a stroke. Next time you feel a sneeze coming, let it out. Don't risk it. Your brain will thank you.